tip number one to being the stellar you in 2020 and beyond. How to set yourself up for success and crush those goals that you're going to set out for yourself in the next year, the next decade. This is going to be the foundation, and what I believe is probably the most important part is going to be the mental preparation. Go into this giving yourself some breathing room and understanding that you may not always stick to your plan, but that's okay. It's just the human experience, guys. We have all kinds of things and habits and ways we've been living our lives for months and years, and right now we're going against the grain. We're at a here, we want to get to a there. And in that process, we may not always have the willpower. We may not always be mentally strong. We may not always be able to keep it together, or we just want comfort for a moment. The key is not to live in that comfort, but to recognize it. Okay, look, I've been doing good for a week, for a month, whatever it may be, right? I slipped up, I fucked up, no problem, and keep going forward. So be kind to yourself, give yourself some breathing room, and don't be too hard on yourself, and you'll be well on your way to being the stellar you in 2020 and beyond.